Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how Pro Mode works on the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. So we have to open the camera and then move for the left side where we can find Pro Mode. First of all, I can recommend you to click on this information icon, and right here you will find a description of every parameter that you can find on the Pro Mode. Right now I'm gonna show you how to adjust these parameters. Let's start from the bottom part. So first of all, we can find white balance with the presets and also manual adjustment. You can also turn it on automatically by tapping on this button. Next, we can find focus range. I'm going to show you how it works on this button. So when I set it up like that, as you can see, this button is in the focus. So it means that this setup allows us to catch focus on the objects that are close to our lens. When I set it up like that, it will be out of the focus, and right now the phone captures focus only on the objects that are a little bit I'm not sure if you can spot it right now, but the button is right now in the focus. So that's how the phone catch focus right now, and you can also automatically adjust this function. As you can see right now, it automatically catch focus. Next, we can find shutter speed, and we can set it even for the 30 seconds. So when I set it for the 2 seconds and I click on the shutter, the photo will be taken after 2 seconds. And there is also automatic adjustment. Another option is ISO level. That's the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only set up manually, and we can go between +4 and the -4. In this place we can switch lenses between ultra wide and the wide lens. When you go right here, we can activate Ultra HD mode, that's the 50 megapixel mode. We can also add some filters to change color and the temperature. Right here we can switch also matrix metering. We can turn on the flashlight, and that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.